check this out, traders. I found that Windows has another hidden setting slowing your charts. If you trade on Windows, there is a hidden graphic setting that can affect how smooth your charts feel, how responsive your trading platform feels, and how stable your multi-monitor setup behaves. Most traders never check it. It's called hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. And this is where most traders discover their computer isn't configured the way they thought it was. In simple terms, this setting changes how Windows sends graphics work to your GPU. And this matters because modern trading platforms use GPU acceleration for chart rendering, zooming, dragging, and switching workspaces. So let me show you exactly where to find it. First, click on Start, then click Settings, then click System, and then find Display. Now scroll down until you see Graphics and click it. And at the top of this screen, you may see a section called Default Settings. Some computers will show a toggle called Optimizations for Windowed Games, and that's normal, and you can leave that setting alone. Now look for a section called Advanced Graphics Settings. Inside that section, you will see Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If that setting is turned on, try switching it off. Then restart your computer. That restart step matters, so do not skip it. Now open your trading platform and test how it feels. Move charts around, zoom in and out, switch between workspaces. Some traders notice smoother charts immediately. Others may not see a difference at all. If your charts feel smoother or more responsive, that's awesome. This setting was affecting your system. And if you don't notice any difference, you can always turn it back on. And that's why this tweak is useful. It's simple, it's quick to test, and it's completely reversible. And that's exactly why I created my complete guide to trading computers. Because trading performance isn't just about buying a faster CPU. It's about understanding the hardware, the monitors, the graphics, the RAM, the settings, and the small things inside Windows that can quietly affect your platform. If you want that guide, I put the link in the description below. Go ahead and grab it now. And if this video helped you, slam the subscribe button. And if you want to see what I call the world's greatest trading computer, then you definitely want to watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. Yes, I'm losing my voice. And as I always say, may the trend be with you.